Haven't even snowed yet. Hasn't even snowed yet and they're already going nuts. But it had a little dusting on Friday. So as you can see, I am a bread man and I am getting prepared because we got our first storm of the year coming and it's going to hit tonight. It's Sunday night into Monday and they're talking anywhere between 5, 8 inches, 10 inches could be. It's going to start tonight around 10, 11 o'clock tonight. And so this is the decision because I'm not company like I used to be. So I'm kind of a owner operator. So this is my truck. I paid for it. It's my decision when it comes to, you know, safety and stuff. So in the old days, I've been doing this 28, 29 years. I used to have a step van where I used to be. I used to deliver bread and there was 2 feet of snow. And we used to really get snow all the time in Maryland. I'd be out in a foot and a half, almost. I mean, one time it was 2 foot of snow. Here, I'm going to take my time. I am going to leave about probably 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning and go see what I can do. I'll probably take my muck boots with me. My hunting boots, I'll probably take them because they're pretty warm, pretty comfortable. We already got a little bit. But usually, I'm one of them knuckleheads. I usually don't wear long pants. I wear short pants all year long, and it's cold as hell. These are like my shoes, boots that I keep in here. They're waterproof. This is my rain gear. I always keep with me a whole rain suit and extra stuff to keep warm. So I'm pretty much prepared for all weather since I working all. But what I did was, look, as a YouTuber, I get so many emails, and it's fun. I get so many emails. Companies want to send me stuff, and what's funny, and it's cool. I got this on. It's called Meat Weed Thermals. But it's funny. You get an email that says, "Look, we've been watching your videos. We think you'll be perfect to talk about our stuff." This was a company that wanted to send me a snowboard carrying. It holds the snowboard in it. And I'm like, what freaking videos were you watching to think that I'm going on a snowboard at all? So I think you just reach out to people. But this company, if there's a product that I think that I can use, this is thermals. When I go hunting, and what's very important when I think of thermals is because I got the ones that cost, you know, I paid over $100 and some for a pair of Under Armour stuff. But this one right here is $29, and I've been wearing these all week long, okay, underneath my clothes during the wintertime working outside. And one of the most important things about when I want to wear Under Armour, because it's windy now, and this breeze is pretty good, but the most important thing to me is the wickening part. If you're out when we go hunting, I go walking. Sometimes, you know, we walk up a hill to one time and we were sweating. I didn't have none of that stuff. And I froze to death. I mean, I was freezing in that tree. I left early because I was so cold because I was sweating, got up in the tree and it's 30 some degrees out and you end up sweating. So the most important thing for when I wear stuff, it's got to be comfortable. And look, you can see it's stretchy. It comes right back. Now my big belly, I got a big old belly and I'm losing weight. I've lost probably about 5 pounds. I'd started a new diet, but I started and I'm sticking with it. I've been pretty good with it. I slipped up maybe once or twice because it just, you know, it is what it is. But I put this through the test, and one of the most important things was underneath the underarms was me working on my bread truck doing this stuff. I did not feel confined. This stretches with me and it kept me dry. You know, I'm out here, I'm in the back of my truck working. It's 20 degrees right now. It's windy as hell. It was even windier the Tuesday and Wednesday of the week that just passed. It was cold. It was frigid cold. And I had this underneath my work pants, and my long work pants, I could tell you, they are almost basically better not be wearing anything because the wind goes right through them. And I wore these pants, and these pants are really stretchy. I mean, they really stretch. They were comfortable to wear. And they fit me good. These are a double X for me. It's a little tight around my belly, but hopefully within about 30 days, hopefully I'll lose enough weight that this won't feel so tight anymore on my belly. But if you want to, if you are interested, check it out. They're $29. $29 for the set. The whole set They wicken really good, and like I said, if I didn't like them, I would tell you. I would just tell them that I didn't like the product, and I'm going to be honest. But this is a good product. I actually enjoyed it. I actually enjoy wearing them because I didn't really notice that I was wearing them so much. You know, some of them can be very restrictive and stuff like that. So for 30 bucks, you can go into the link in the description, and you can get yourself a nice set that'll help the wickening, stretch, comfortable, and let's get on with the video. I work and everything. It's like time, windy as hell, time to do the donuts kind of thing. All right, so as I'm getting prepared, I'm going to take you tomorrow morning and let you see, let you see my day's snow guide. There won't be no little mom and piles being hit tomorrow. It's basically going to be Walmart. I do have other areas that I hit that are big situations. I usually have all my schools. I have about 6 or 7 schools that I hit on Mondays, and obviously they're going to be closed tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about them, which is good. But I'll see you in the morning as we go, and we'll see how the day goes. Good morning. So last night I decided I had talking strictly with a couple of my customers, and we were good for Monday. A friend of mine went in this morning, so I actually got up about 2:30 this morning to come and check out, let dogs out and stuff, because that's their normal time. Because when I get up and go to work, I take them out at 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. So they're used to it. So I got up about 2:30 this morning and went out. It was barely an inch. It was okay for me. I decided I probably could have went in, but I decided I could have went in, but then I decided, you know what? I'm not going in. So my buddy texts me about 15 minutes later saying, hey, am I going in? And I told him no. He said he was almost at the depot. So he went to the depot to pick up bread to go deliver. He said when he went down, he goes, it wasn't bad. Because when I seen it, it was only maybe about an inch again. And then he said, by the time he left and started his way back, he said the roads were just a mess. And he ended up, I called him this morning, and he went home. So nobody's really out today. It came down pretty fast and got pretty thick. Like you said, I already see 7-8 inches. There's 7-8 inches of snow already. There's already 7 or 8 inches of snow, as you can see from my truck, as you can see right here. And so it isn't worth it. Like the old days, I probably might have went and got to my major customers and stuff, but everything's okay. We're going to let it. I think it's only like 8 o'clock this morning. It's only like 7. It's only like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the morning. It's so they're going to supposed to still snow most of the day and stop about 10. So I'll come out. I'll clean all the cars off for once, and it'll get up again, but it won't be as bad. Try to shovel a little bit. The good thing is my next door neighbor, he has a bobcat, and most likely he'll come in and he'll get most of the neighbor stuff with the bobcat and clean up once it kind of starts. So that's kind of cool. I'm kind of lucky with that. He'll clean out the driveway and all that stuff for us usually. But since I'm here and it's snowing, what I do have, if you are interested in watching, I'm here in Maryland, and a lot of people left and went to Florida. I know one of my really, really good friends, they're moving to Florida, so I'm not going to see them for a while. Probably won't see them probably won't see them at all. But if you like to sit back on a nice snowy day and watch a video, this is Maryland recreational crabbing with me and the wife. Go check it out, stick around, and watch us how we catch blue crabs. And maybe at the end of this, I'll put a recipe up so you can watch what we can do with some of the crab meat that we keep, all right? Stick around and make sure you like and subscribe. All right, me and the girls, it's October. It's October, what? 5th, 6th, something like that. Yeah. October the 5th, and we are out again crabbing. We're trying to get as much crabbing as we can, as it's definitely a lot cooler today. I would say it says it's supposed to be in the 80s, but I think it's going to be closer to 70 with the wind. 5 to 10 my butt.
Right.
My buddy Denny was out there and said they had 2-foot waves today, whitecaps this morning when it was flat calm. They just got done laying out the trout line, and all of a sudden they went to go run it, and wind came out of nowhere. And it's pretty windy, but I think it's supposed to die down as the afternoon goes on.
Yay.
And we are setting and forgetting.
Yeah, set and forget.
Windy.
Oh yeah, to the yeah. Woohoo! You're not gonna like it? Oh yeah, to the yeah. Woohoo! You're not gonna like it? Okay. Okay. Awesome. That's a good start. Good start. We like good starts. Yeah. Yeah. Really? Okay.
Spread out a little bit.
Right, I know that.
No, I mean when they're spread out a little bit more, they're not right on top of it.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was everyone so far. Yeah. Falls of your, just like, not the falls, you know what I mean.
And Lori here.
Sam and Lori here. Woohoo!
We'll get back to you.
France?
Alright, they really got up.
Get that baby. Awesome sauces. Woohoo! That's a nice one too. It was a dark. Flicking you out. Let's hope it's like the other day and we can get out of here early. Hold on.
This wind's on, I can't have it.
Yeah, one or two of them are pretty far in space. That's why I was trying to pull it in slowly.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Yeah. Look at that. Rock and rolling.
Yeah, we are rolling, man. I'm leaving all the her
Me too.
We're catching crabs, that's what sucks.
I was like, here comes this huge wave. I'm sitting there. Yeah, right. Hey, wait. I can't get it. God damn, I should have sat down for it. You think? What are you gonna do? I know it's hard with the wind. Oh, nothing in it. Yeah, whatever. No way! How'd you do that?
Damn it. Damn it, it's too windy.
Oh. Sweetie.
Well, let me tell you, we had to move 3 times already because the wind's so bad. The wind, we would probably be almost done.
20 crabs.
But we've been messing with the wind, so the way I had to lay the traps, I laid it sideways to the wind blowing me to the side. So by the time she's picking something up, I am already blown out and we're messing up. I ran over a trap, the line. I had to get it out of the prop. So we had to pick them up to relay them. We're kind of out of the wind right now, and it's easier for me to drive. But we got some that are going to the side, and we had to lay them to where I was going directly into the wind. So it's a little wavy. Like we got 1 to 2 foot chop out here. It's pretty wavy. But we're in the back of the cove. So we're just gonna just keep rolling, try to stay out of the wind a little bit, and when we are into the wind, I got it going in. So. But let me show you.
20 crabs.
We threw back a couple of females, but we got 20 nice sized freaking crabs in here. If it wasn't for us playing with the wind today, we would pretty much be, maybe we would have done the 3 runs, we'd probably be picking up again. All right, let's get going.
Throw these back, right? Oh, she's heavy as shit. That's another heavy one. So. Now, are we going that one? That one. Okay. No, no, I know. I say go out. You're not hurting nothing. Alright, you wanna...
We just picked up, I mean, we got plenty of crabs that we just picked up. Back here isn't too bad where we're at. It really isn't that bad because it's blocking the wind. But there's only so much room back here because it all just past here, we're in it's all like 2 foot, 1 foot. And so we couldn't go any further back this way. It's all shallow, all down here is too shallow with the crab. So we finally just said, we got 1 2-footers, white caps coming into this little creek. It's pretty windy, and the way that I have to run the boat, I got to go I was running sideways is the depth I want to be in, and it's just really it's not fun. We're catching crabs. I mean, that's why we've stuck it out this long. If we would have done a run or two and only caught like 5 crabs here, 5 crabs on the run, we'd have picked up and we'd have rolled out of here. But because we were doing so well, we stuck it out, and but it was some rough. We was definitely getting splashed. All right, so like, share, and subscribe. Go to this video. We actually had a nice calm day, and we caught 4 runs, and we caught a bushel of crabs, of traps, 4 runs.